Flourish like a green bay tree to supersize your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to our idiom for today for Supersize Your Business. This is an idiom I've never heard about before. I've never heard of it before, which maybe says I haven't read the Bible enough. Shame on me. My Catholic mother would be very disappointed. But guess what? I asked her and she hadn't heard of it either. Apparently, to flourish like a green bay tree is from the Bible, Psalms 37:5. And there's also a reference in Psalms 37:35. And I like this one's kind of the negative side of it. Let me read it. It says, I have seen the wicked in great power and spreading like a green bay tree. Green bay tree is known for its ability to grow several feet a year. This is obviously just a little pine sprig I stole out of a plant. But I've never seen a green bay tree. I'm going to look it up now and see what is it, where does it come from, and where do they live, because I'd never heard that reference before. But basically, it means to develop vigorously, to grow really, really well in a congenial or a positive environment for you. So our businesses will grow and supersize in an environment that they're designed to be in, or that benefits them in some way, shape, or form. So if we're serving a group of people that we're designed to serve, we're made to serve, we're going to grow faster than if we are serving the wrong people or if we're in the wrong location. Remember, in business, location, 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 except for the invention of the internet, and that's made location actually less of a power factor or a factor in growing and building and supersizing our business. So, and actually it's in Psalms, it's in the King James Version of the Bible, 37:35, and it's in the book of Psalms, in the Book of Common Prayer. Means to thrive or grow or to be very successful. Well, I think we all want our businesses to thrive and grow and be very successful. And so I'd be curious, what is your favorite way to, number one, pick the right environment, make sure you're in the right environment, make sure that you're serving the right people, or what's your favorite way to grow and build and supersize your business? I shared in the annual challenge, because I'm picking an idiom that goes along with the annual challenge this year for the Supersizing Your Business group. Why? It makes my life easier. And it's more fun, and it helps me to dig deeper and find things that support what we're doing in the challenge. So today I shared a list of 8 ways to create the life that you want, which could also be 8 ways to create the business that you want. So I'll just share a couple of these. First you need to know and decide what you want. What do you want long-term for your vision? Then you need to visualize it as if you've already achieved that business. Then you need to think about the experiences that make you happy and repeat them. Think about the things you do in your business that give you the best results and make you successful, and repeat them. We've talked about that before. Become goal-oriented if you're not already. I suspect if you're listening to me and you've got a business, you are definitely goal-oriented, especially if you have a plan to supersize it, or even if you don't have a plan, but a desire to supersize it. Forget the past, always a good reminder. Learn from the lessons from the past, but forget about it because you can't change it. Don't worry about what other people think. For a lot of business owners, this is huge. Don't compare yourself to others, and it doesn't matter what other people think. They're not paying your bills. I have yet to have a competitor ever offer to pay one of my bills. So do I care what they think? No, zero thought to it. Number 7, let go of fear. And this is one that I think most of us are constantly working on, stretching our comfort zone, because our business will only grow as fast as we do and our comfort zone stretches. And then number 8 was to communicate your wishes to others. Absolutely positively, if you want to supersize and grow your business, you need to get other people involved in helping you. And that means being able to communicate the vision and the purpose and the why you're creating the business that you are. So that's our idiom for today. Curious if you've actually heard of this, to flourish like a green bay tree. I lived in Green Bay, Wisconsin, but I'd never heard of a green bay tree. I wonder if they have green bay trees in Green Bay, Wisconsin. I have to call some of my Green Bay friends. All right, have an awesome day. I will, of course, be with you tomorrow.